Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here at Burley's. So this is the second time we're coming to this restaurant because it's the best franchise restaurant in Sri Lanka. So join me and let's go inside. Alright, so here's what we ordered today from Burley's. I chose chicken cheese penne for 1390 rupees and hot and spicy corn dog for 1780 rupees. First I start with the chicken cheese penne because I never tasted this pasta ever. So they added some cheese sauce and a little bit of pepper because it was not that spicy. And they added some small chicken pieces and onion springs were even better. So let's try it out. Wow, this pasta was so good with the cheese sauce. That was so juicy and the small chicken pieces were good and it was not that spicy. This pasta was 10 out of 10. Now let's try the hot and spicy corn dog. Wow, this corn dog was really good. We have cheese and sausage inside. When I eat it, that was so good. And on top of it, they added ketchup and mayo. This corn dog was 7 out of 10. Finally, we ordered 2-piece classic crispy chicken for 1320 rupees. This chicken was so crispy, but I only have 1 piece. Let's try it out. Wow, this crispy chicken was so delicious. I tried with ketchup because it was not that spicy, and when I tried with the chicken, that was so good. The crispy part of the chicken was so crispy while trying with the ketchup. This crispy chicken was 10 out of 10. Alright then, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and hit the subscribe button and comment below in the comments and don't forget to turn on your notifications. So that's it for today's video and I will see you in the next one.